Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Steam on your Windows 11 computer. Steam is one of the most popular platforms for downloading, installing, and playing PC games. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the search bar. Type Steam Download and press enter. The first link you'll see should be from steampowered.com. That's the official Steam website, so click on that link. Once you're on the Steam homepage, you'll notice a green Install Steam button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button. This will take you to the download page where you'll see another button labeled Install Steam for Windows. Click on it to start downloading the Steam setup.exe file. The file is quite small, so it should download in just a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and double click on the Steam setup.exe file. If Windows shows a security prompt asking for permission, click yes to allow the installation to continue. Now, the Steam setup window will appear. Click next to begin. Next, choose your preferred language. By default, it's set to English. And then click next again. On the next screen, you'll see the installation location. It's best to leave it as the default option unless you specifically want to install Steam somewhere else. Click install to begin the process. Steam will now start installing on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen that says completing Steam setup. Make sure the Run Steam checkbox is selected and then click Finish. Steam will now launch automatically. The first time you open it, Steam will download and install the latest updates. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait for the updates to finish. After the updates are done, Steam will open and you'll see the login screen. If you already have a Steam account, simply log in with your username and password. If not, click Create a new account and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you're signed in, Steam will open its main window where you can explore the store, library, and download sections. From here, you can browse games, purchase them, or download free titles right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Steam on your Windows 11 PC. Now you're ready to start exploring, installing, and playing your favorite games. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.